sometimes when we are just sitting, but thoughts are coming. Suppose some problem arises, suppose it's 9 o'clock, our program gets finished, but still it may continue say 9:15 or 9:20, your thoughts, mind will start. Oh, this is late, I want to reach to home early. So mind will start. But mind is not giving judgment, only thoughts are coming. And I have to pick up my car and I will go by car, at least 30 minutes it will take, I will reach home late. So chit means consciousness, the chit will start. So mind and chit will start. So mind will give you thoughts coming from mind. And chit we can visualize where our car, how much time will take, we will reach to home, what will happen. Like that, visualization of that is by chit. So there are 4 partners. Inner action is taken by 4 partners, mind and chit. And 2 more is intellect and ego. So these, just like a parliamentary system, they are giving vote, mind and chit. They are giving voting. This is good, this is bad, this should not do, we can go early, this is late, like that. Just only thoughts are coming, but decision is not there. Then intellect will read what happens with mind and chit. Then intellect take decision, 10-15 minutes late, there is no problem, I will explain my house, whatever wife or my parents, I will explain them and I will convince them, but I want to stay because this is very good question answer session, so I want to stay. So when intellect take decision, then ego will sign, okay. Just like a president, intellect like a prime minister. These are the voters. This is prime ministers. Once the prime minister says, we want to stay here, then president say, okay. Then inner action decision came, we want to stay in satsang. Then mind will stop and now think other things. So this continuously, mind, chit, intellect and ego, they will work inside automatically. And really they are discharge karma. Due to discharge karmic account, this is going inside action. So, mind is showing thoughts only. On highway you are driving car and you see some accident, then mind will start, oh, this is something happened and accident may happen with us also. What will happen? So mind shows only. Then after Jnana we can understand, oh, it is mind showing, it is Shamil's mind and I am pure soul. So you can visualize and you can do conversation. Oh, don't worry, we will pray Dada Bhagwan, we will pray 3 mantra. So mind will remain separate and he is only showing, he is not taking any decision. But what happens, ego with intellect will read and they feel that, oh, I am thinking. Ego is believing that I am thinking, so he gets suffering. Oh, what will happen if there is accident take place? What will happen to me? What will happen to my family? Like that, ego gets involved. Then intellect showing some negativity. But if you keep separation with mind, oh, you are showing accident, but so many cars already passed, nothing happened to that car. So don't worry, we will pray Dada Bhagwan, we will do some 3 mantra, Dada Bhagwan Nasim Jai Jaikaro. So mind change, he will show new items. So we have to keep separation with mind, we have to visualize mind and we have to do conversation, just like one nearer neighbor, we are doing conversation. Like you are as a pure soul and mind belongs to Shamil. So we have to do conversation, just like a one-to-one conversation.